Bro, look at this boy, Mencho. Man, that boy's nice. Got him out here. She's available, y'all. Keep her mail, y'all. That back. Jeez. Ear crops coming soon. Look at her. Get him some vitamin D, y'all. Natural vitamin D. What you doing? Mencho. Mencho. Hey. Look at her, though. Look at that boy right there. Them paws, man. It's the future of the camp right there. She gonna bless somebody's yard, man. Whoever makes the first move to grab her. That big body boy, damn. Available female, available female. Like, subscribe, share, comment, y'all. What y'all think of him? Look at that boy.
Daddy. Daddy, I want to lie next to you. Daddy, can I lie next to you?
Look at that girl, man. Beautiful. Look at him, man. God damn, look at that boy, y'all. Snapped on the first litter, got my stud. Like, subscribe, share, comment, y'all. Join the fam.